Once, pets lived quietly inside our homes. They slept in corners, waited by doors, and followed us from room to room. Their world was small, warm, and familiar. Then one day, a camera appeared. At first, it was harmless. A photo, a short video, something shared with friends. But slowly, something changed. A cat's face traveled farther than the home it lived in. A dog's expression reached millions of people it would never meet. A hamster became recognizable to strangers across the world. Pets became portraits, not painted on canvas, but framed by screens, carefully lit, perfectly timed, and shared again and again. The home was no longer just a home. It became a stage. Living rooms turned into studios. Daily routines became performances. Ordinary moments became content. And people loved it. Pets felt safe. They felt comforting. They asked for nothing. In a noisy digital world, animals offered something rare: quiet joy. But behind every viral pet is a human making choices. When to film, what to show, when to stop. The animal never chooses fame. It only trusts. This doesn't mean pet influencers are wrong. Love is often real. Care is often genuine. But attention is powerful. And when attention becomes currency, even affection can turn into pressure. Because real influence is not about views or followers. It's about responsibility. It's about dignity. It's about kindness, especially when no one is watching. And maybe that is what pets have been teaching us all along.